I'm just making a video to share my excitement. The postman's just me. And I'm so excited. I love these Neocolors. And look at my ones. I've had these for years and I've never used them really. I did drop them by accident yesterday, as most students know. And I've broken them all, which is sad. They still work. They're going to be fine. But there's only 10 colours in here. And I've become obsessed. This was a quick sketch I did. Did a couple in here from Scotland in my new sketchbook. And I've just got these from Colt Pens, and they were doing a 10% off because it's their birthday. Hope that's focusing okay. I can't get in them, I'm too excited. Dogs are looking at me like I'm mad, but my students know what I've been thinking of these. Oh, look. Even the tin is so pretty. We were saying actually Caran D'Ache were the first colour pencils I ever had and I loved as a child. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the colours. See, here I just had 10. And this is what I was interested in, the greens. So completely making up this picture. Oh, look. We can get some of these lights back in, even just by... What I love about them, I don't know if I haven't got any water here, but you add water to them. They're water soluble, so you can use them like a... Look at that. I thought this picture I'd used a bit of gouache and watercolour and it got a bit dark. Let's try some blues. That's quite dark blue, isn't it? What else have we got? Oh, we got this nice, look at all these turquoises. What's that? Oh, it's a Prussian. I'm a bit obsessed with Prussian at the moment. And some nice purples on this would be good, wouldn't it? And pinks. Oh, look, that's quite shocking. We could also put a bit of purple in the background, bit of aerial perspective. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with these. Where's the white? Let's try the white. Looking around for some water. I've literally I tidied all my studio out yesterday. Nice. This is better off wet. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun and I'm going to treat them. They're like my favourite thing. And the other thing as well, just being naughty, just to show everyone. I bought this. I saw it in the shop. Look. Isn't that gorgeous? I thought I might use it as my water bowl. To put my water in, clean my brush in. Where's a brush? Look. Wish I had some water. Oh, I have got water. Let me show you. I have water spray. So actually, let's spray a bit. Let's pour some in my new, can you see it? Water bowl. Look at that. I'm such a child, aren't I? I'm going to be 50 soon. Look at that. Is that not the prettiest water bowl in history? So, you need some kitchen towel. Is it focusing on my thing? There we go. I had a very lovely man came and looked at my camera because I really struggle with the focus. But he has fixed it, but I have to press that button. So I apologise if it's out of focus. Look at this. See, we can move them around. And then you could also, I'm going to use one of my old ones, put it in the water. So say we got these lovely sky bits where the light's coming through. So you can put it on wet as well. I dip it in, kind of wake up the paint or pigment. How good is that? I'm probably completely overdoing it. What did it have in terms of fleshy colours? That's quite a good point. One is broke. They break really easily, that's the only thing. And I hadn't even touched that, had I? It's probably in transit. I'm going to dip it in my water bowl. Okay. I think we've done enough playing this poor sketch. That, can you see that's a bit dark? I just thought I might take that bit off. Let's use some water. That's why I put that bit Prussian. Let's dab that. That's so fab about water. Colour and gouache and all these things is you can just take it off, move things around. That look better? Maybe we need some light so when that's dry. With this paper you don't want to overdo it too much. I wait for that to dry before I put anything on it. But no, super happy with them. Brilliant.